Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best SSC coaching in your city Jhansi? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best SSC preparations in your city Jhansi. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video.
At rank 1, we have Plutus Academy. Plutus Academy is one of the largest growing online coaching class in India. Study materials and video classes are best which this institute provides. Further, Plutus Academy provides best and updated study material to the students. It provides coaching which is available with recorded lectures and video facilities. Plutus Academy has experts and well-experienced faculty. In addition to this, online test series provided by the Academy is completely a best test series. At rank 2, we have The Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone arranges demos of the preferred coachings by the students. Their investment is precious to you as well as to them. You will be assigned with a mentor for the whole year who will guide you the approach towards examination. Also, in choosing right study material, evaluation of test series or any other doubt you want to discuss, you can do that freely. They will assure you to take the right path and help you in reaching your goal. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. Many students are in mere confusion about where to invest, which will be the best academies for them, where they will get the exact quality of education they are looking for. So, the Hindu Zone provides completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. The Hindu Zone listen to the requirements of the students, their area of concerns, and then the expert mentors advise them the top institutes according to their needs.
Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Time Institute, that is Triumphant Institute of Management Education. The address of the institute is Opposite Impact near 48 Chambers, Elite Chauraha, Jhokan Road, Civil Lines, Jhansi, UP 284001. Their contact number is 076071 and the Google rating includes 4.7 stars out of 5. Friends, Time is India's leading test prep institute with a pan-India presence and is headquartered in Hyderabad. It was established in 1992 and Time today operates out of 237 offices located in 118 towns and cities across the country. Over 40 IIT IIM graduates form part of the core team at Time. Okay, now let us know something more about Time Institute. So, through its campus recruitment training conducted at various engineering colleges across the country every year, Time trains thousands of students in aptitude tests and communication skills as a part of preparing them for their campus placements. Down to our rank 4 institute, we have Mahindra Educational Private Limited. The address of Mahindra's Educational Institute is BKD Road near Kunj Bihari Mandir, first floor above State Bank of India, Jhansi, Uttar Pradesh 284001. Their contact number includes 092 352 53424. Okay friends, now let us discuss some of the details of the institute. So Mahindra's provide coaching classes for various coaching including SSC. They at Mahindra's believe that preparing for the exam can make all the difference. It is one of the most sought after career options for candidates who wish to opt for government jobs. Now let us talk about some of their features. The very first is video courses, then live classes, next in the line is branch admissions. Then we have online test series, e-books and finally publication. Okay friends, there is one key feature of the institute which is interactive classrooms. It is a new concept of teaching and learning. It consists of digital board with high-tech projector. By using newly arising technologies, the faculties can interact in a more influential way with the students that helps the students learning each and every concept of every subject very perfectly. So friends, the last institute we will be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is AVS Academy. The email ID of the institute is help@avsengineersacademy.in and their contact number includes 9695478422 and 8765651718. Okay friends, now let us talk about some of the features of SSC examination preparation coaching. The very first is regular test series. They provide regular and updated test papers to students in both offline and online mode. Number 2, valuable courses. They offer classes for GATE, ESE, PSU, SSC, and many other institutional courses. Then we have scholarship scheme. Hard work is always rewarded. There, they also provide reward to students who are meritorious. And the last is qualified and experienced team. All the faculties involved in the coaching are highly educated and experienced, and also they are very much devoted toward the work. The address of the institute is Mission near Uttar Pradesh Power Corporation Limited, Jhansi, Uttar Pradesh, and the Google rating includes 4.9 stars out of 5. So, friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best SSC preparations in your city, Jhansi. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.